Well, if you want to be internet famous, get someone else to post your shit, because it ain't me. Very.
At least in our end of the business.
Yeah.
And knock them, you see it'll glue up. Yeah. You can actually get a really cool finish out of it with a glue rag. Okay. As it's cooling, it's fine. Look how quick that works.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Break your edges this way, okay?
Yep.
Doesn't take much. Get all the burrs off and the mud's off and okay? And all of a sudden, I gotta probably like cool this now. This is just a rough file. I've also got smooth files, right?
Yep.
You can imagine how that probably feels. good enough for Gov.